So you just heard there's a study that says masks totally work, and they work pretty well. You know, reduces the R by maybe 20, 25%, which would be a lot. Do you believe it? Unfortunately, no. But here's something I'm going to add to that conversation. Do you remember when all the smart people said masks don't work because people fuss with them? All the smart people said that, right? They thought that phase two would be to become more socialist after they made a lot of money. So China's strategy is to use capitalism to make a bunch of money, and now they figure they've done it.